Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my mocha frosting or mocha buttercream. So the cake that I'm gonna bake for today is for my mother. So this is very special. So to start, here are the ingredients and the materials that we will be needing. We need sugar or confectioner sugar or powdered sugar. Sasalain natin yan mamaya, isi-sift natin. And I also have this butter, room temperature butter. We also need coffee, like yung instant coffee like this. One instant coffee, minix ko lang siya to 90 ml of hot water and then pinalamig ko lang. Then we will be also needing salt, just 1/4 teaspoon of salt, okay, to balance the sweetness. And then we also will be needing cocoa powder. Let's start. Unahin muna natin pag-sift nitong sugar. Like, we will be needing like 3 to 4 cups of this sugar. Kaya sa akin nanigas na siya kasi sobrang tagal niya. So, tension na natin. Moist chocolate pa rin yung cake ko, and then si frosting lang yung mocha. So, my table is already messy. Kaya talagang ang isip kong pangalan ng maging YouTube channel ko is Messy but Lovely. Kasi every time na nagbe-bake ako, it's really messy. Pero, it's lovely. If you see the result, yeah. It's lovely because you are enjoying with what you're doing. So, hopefully, actually, na-inspired ako mag-bake. Every time na may nagko-comment, every time na may nagtatanong, may nagsasubscribe, it's really inspiring. Pero, yun nga, napabayaan pa lang talaga yung channel kasi may mga bagay-bagay na mas inuuna ako. So, hopefully, I'll be able to balance that. I-sift ko pa siya ulit to make sure na wala nang buo-buo. Butter is in a room temperature already. Like if you press like that, it should be like that. Okay. I have 200 gram of butter, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. I have the tablespoon of cocoa powder. I'm gonna put it here. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mixing it. I prefer the bigger bowl kasi sometimes yung mga ingredients is kakalat. So, I prefer the bigger bowl. Use the spatula para mapaghalo-halo mo siya mabuti. Okay? Then mix mo agad ulit sa high speed. So, yan. Paghalo-haloin mo lang lahat. Igigit na ako lang lahat ng mga nasa gilid. Yan. Nako lang sila. Then mix ko ulit siya ng high speed for like about 3 to 5 minutes. 3 minutes, ganun. 3 to 5 minutes, and then we will begin adding the sugar, okay? So, let's mix it over. That's how it looks right now. So gradually, we will be adding the sugar. Yung sugar na kanina natin, okay? time for frosting. So, ito na yung mocha buttercream na ginawa ko kanina. And galing siya sa fridge. And then, minix ko lang siya again. Yan. For just a few minutes. And then, now, we're gonna start frosting. So, let's do this first. So, first, ayan, maglagay na tayo ng ating fillings. Yan. Yan. Very slight lang siguro tayo maglalagay. Yan. Very slight lang. Let's see if you know.
Hello? Sobrang laki ng ano ko. That's alright.
We'll be putting another one. Magnipis lang tayo maglagay kasi we don't want this to become so sweet inside. Okay. Inipisan lang natin. So, just one. And two. Babiyahin na tayo papuntang Tondo. Punta sa ating mga kapatid. Sa ating mga kapatid. Because they've been waiting for me. So, what we're doing right now is we are crumb coating. Okay? Kasi, yan, outside ng ano natin. Yan. Okay. I'll just clean the messy on the side here. So, ito yung ginawa kong drip, chocolate drip. Ilalagay natin sa ibabaw niya. And so concentrated. Lapit ko. Papi, stop it.
Yung ano nga, pre, nagkamali nga ako eh. Kasi yung
And
nagkamali
those.
ako dito, sinulat ko yung experience ko para...
So, I have Kitkat. Kitkat ako. Ayan.
Pero
So,
pre,
I'm gonna cut it.
ito nga na to, permanent ba to?
Cut it like that. So,
Check mo pre, alam mo na yan.
I also have Tobleron. This is so expensive, but ayan guys, kung nakikita nyo yan yung mga pang-decoration ko, na feeling ko walang kakain sa sobrang tamis. So, yan na siya. Then, next kong ilalagay is the Oreo. Ayan. Ayan, si Oreo. Next natin is this, What? Ang pangalan to? Fererro. Yan. Fererro.
You know.
Ferrero Rocher. Ganyan. Ferrero Rocher. Ganyan. Set. Ulit. Ayan, huwag na natin siya palagugin. What else? The Kitkat. Easy. And we also have Tobleron. Tignan natin ba sa front. Hindi nyo nakikita kung paano ko gawin, pero ting pa ganyan. Kasi ito yung harapan. So, pag ganyan natin siya, pag ganyan. Yan. Okay. Then, let's put some balls. I think dito, mamaya. So, Oreo again. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung makakain pa nilang katamisan yan. Ayan. Siyak naman. Another Kitkat here. There you go. Saan pa ba? Another Kitkat here. Yeah. Another Tobleron here. Okay. Can put it there. Yeah. Can also put it here. And there. Yeah. There. Kainin niyo pa ba ito? Mga shesh? Ito eh. Charan! This is my very own design of chocolate. So guys, nakita nyo na yung aking new design. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Because I really like it. Yan. Sana magustuhan din nila. And time to frost the cupcakes naman. So, yun. Cupcakes naman yung tatrabahuin ko. And I'm good to go. Bye-bye!